Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what card JPY will be giving us this week. Now, before I go ahead, to those of you that would love to join my channel, as majority of you guys have actually reached out that you would want to get a discount right on my Patreon channel. Now we are now offering a 40% discount which will only last for 2 days. Basically, we are just making this discount for 2 days, right? So once you are interested, you can now join. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the Patreon channel. Sign up. There you will get high probability trade. 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade is exactly what we will be sharing there. So like I said, you can now go within 2 days, you can now subscribe. After 2 days, the offer would be over or invalid. Back to this my analysis on CAD JPY. Basically, I'll be expecting one more drop on CAD JPY, right? After that, a continuous movement to the upside. So basically, CAD JPY will continue the movement upward. So I mean, take a look at this. At first, it was kind of giving us an higher highs and higher lows, right? It was giving us this impulse move downward, sorry, upward. Then all of a sudden, it started dropping downward, right? Now, price is now giving us that impulse move. So in the long run, we should be seeing CAD JPY hit a level of 109. Currently, CAD JPY is trading at 107, right? So I personally would love to see it give me one more drop to a level of 106. Then we will continue that movement. Now, can we make this movement upward without this drop? Absolutely yes. Markets can now continue that impulse move to the upside, right? But personally, this is what I will be seeing. This is how I'm going to be taking the trade. If price markets give me such trade, I will expect market to drop, right? So once market can drop, then I will be looking for a buy. If market does not drop and it continues to give us that bullish move, then fine, no problem. All we would just do is wait for this ice to be taken out. Thereby, price should form a new ice before a correction and go ahead to take that buy. Basically, taking a buy from this level is a bit dangerous. You would not want to, take you can go ahead and take it. It is up to you, by the way. But personally, I would not take it because to me, it is a bit dangerous for me. I see this card JPY drop one more time before it continues that uptrend move. And if in case card JPY does not drop, like I said, if in case it does not drop, then I'll definitely let it see. I would definitely would love to see take out this new ice before I might consider taking this buy again. Or price might give us a double top, which is a which I don't think is visible. Anyway, in the long run, we should be expecting more movements to the upside on CAD JPY. So, like I said, we'll be covering more on JPY PS. If you're interested, simple, go to the comment section. You'll see the link to the Patreon channel, sign up, and you'll get access to those trades.